Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here we go with the second part of our first week assignment, that is physical quantities and units. There is a famous saying by Lord Kelvin: when you can measure what you are speaking about and can express it in numbers, you know something about it. So in physics, we basically try to express everything in terms of numbers. Physical quantities are those quantities which are physically measurable. They are classified as base quantities and derived quantities. Base quantities are those physical quantities that cannot be defined in terms of any other physical quantity. They have their own specific definition. There are seven base quantities, which are length, mass, time, electric current, intensity of light, amount of substance, and thermodynamical temperature. No other physical quantity is termed as base quantity other than these seven. Coming towards derived quantities, those quantities which are expressed in terms of base quantities are called derived quantities. Physical quantities which are obtained from the base quantities using multiplication or division, or both multiplication and division, are called derived quantities. Quantities other than base quantities are derived quantities. Examples are speed, acceleration, area, volume, force, energy, pressure, and all others. So here we basically learned that physical quantities are classified into two types: base quantities and derived quantities. Base quantities are the basis of all the physical quantities, whereas derived quantities come out as a result of mathematical operation between two or more than two base quantities. Here you can see an example of a house which is made up of bricks. So brick is considered as the basic building block of the house. So in this example, it can be considered as a base quantity, whereas the house, which is a collection of bricks, is termed as a derived quantity.